Shante Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be doing my March dashboard and using this beautiful rainy day themed deco sheet from the Sweet Planner, as well as these florals and alcohol ink swatches from Monk and Marple. For my dashboard spreads, I always use these to track my orders for the month, as well as the kits that I'm using in my planner this month, all of the weekly spreads. And so I always start off by drawing out this little grid and just use a pen and a ruler because the paper has this really cute grid on it, and so I just need to draw out that like top portion where I will keep track of the date I placed the order, the name of the shop, short description of what I ordered, and then I check off once I get the email notification that it's shipped and check off once it's arrived. Now that I've got that done, I'm moving down to the bottom of the page, and this is where I'm going to arrange all of my boxes where I'll track the weekly kits that I'm using. And I started off with this fashion doll, and I thought she was so stinking cute. I loved her with her basket and that teal dress. So pretty. And I definitely wanted to make her the focal point down at the bottom. So I put her down. I put down one of the alcohol ink swatches from Monk and Marple. And I wanted it to kind of have that like cloud look to it. And I thought the colors for that were so pretty and perfect to give it that cloud effect. And then I pulled in a foiled cloud sticker from Paper Trail Plans, added the cute little foiled window from Sadie Stickers. And then I got these boxes. These were Rachel's freebie from the Galentine's with the Plan Planner meetup, and they were so perfect. The boxes were really cute and gold foiled, which was perfect for this spread. So now I am just playing box Tetris as I do every month when I do my dashboard spreads, trying to figure out how I want to arrange these boxes and just trying to like fill them in this open grid space. And I love using the boxes because I write pretty small, and so having the boxes makes it easier for my writing to feel like it's anchored and not just like floating around in this large grid space, which is super awesome. I want to put this fence over top this fashion girl down at the bottom, and the fence is from the Pretty Pink Co, and it's her sunflower fence, which she came out with last spring, which is so stinking cute. And so I put it down here, and then I knew I wanted to layer the floral trim on top of it. And I love the fact that the fence was foiled, and then I could pair it with these colorful florals that really just brought in both pretty pop of color as well as that bold pop of gold foil, and looks so, so good. And I decided to go with gold foil because this kit was not foiled, but if you look at the girl's dress, she's got details of like gold glitter outlining around the teal, and I was just like, oh, perfect, perfect. And so then I put down the bird cage and accented it with some of the foil birds from Sadie Stickers. And now I'm just wanting to add some florals and decorate around this area because I've got the framework down of what I need to use that section functionally. And so I am trimming the order tracker section. I added some florals and then this foiled washi trim from Sadie Stickers. And then I have the large month scripts from Paper Trail Plans. This is their new modern font. I am obsessed. It is so stinking cute. Moving to the top, I definitely wanted to pull in some more of that deco. I thought that umbrella was too perfect, and the cute little watering can. And this was an interesting one because I was actively trying to stray away from using some of the florals from the Sweet Planner because I was pulling in the separate florals from Monk and Marple, which worked out perfectly because they paired well with it. This is one of those rare deco sheets from the Sweet Planner because usually her deco sheets have a lot of florals plus a lot of clip art on them. This one was heavier on clip art, not as much with florals, and I knew I was going to need more florals than came on that deco sheet. And so I kind of tried to steer away from the florals that were on that sheet and make all the florals I used from Monk and Marple, which is kind of a trick if you're pulling in other florals to pair with something. You want to make those your primary florals so that you don't, so that it has a better blend when you're pulling in florals that aren't up like a spot on match to the deco sheet, but the color match of the shades of pink in those florals were perfect, and it totally worked. I love how it came together. Anywho, a lot of talking. I added this birds on a branch in the corner along with some of the florals, and then I'm just pulling in some of the alcohol ink swatches because I just love the wash of color that it adds to the background, and then just accenting with some of the foiled grass from Sadie Stickers. And then on the same deco sheet from Sadie Stickers, there was this adorable little bunny rabbit. And I don't always use animals, but I thought it was just too cute. I had to put it in the corner, and I just think it looks so adorable. Moving back down to the bottom, I just want to accent those boxes with some of the florals, bring some more color into that area since the boxes are just white with gold floral foil. I wanted to bring in some of the florals to add some pretty pink to that area and make everything look coordinated and like it all ties together. And then I'm just lifting up the floral underneath the order tracker, and I want to pop in this little hanging swing that was also on that Sadie Stickers deco sheet. So cute. I love that swing. I just think it adds just a fun little touch to that area. Also pulling in some more of those foiled birds and florals. And then I had this freebie from Monk and Marple, which had just really cute little star clusters on there, and I love the way they looked. They had like a strong pop to them, even though they were like really small. They were kind of bold. I hope that makes sense. Like small but big impact. And so I liked those a lot. Moving back up to the order tracker section, I always like to cut really thin floral strips to accent the lines and help pull everything together so it's got a little bit of the floral detail as well. And then I'm taking some more of these birds on branches from the Pretty Pink Co. to accent the florals that I added to the order tracker section. Um, Going back down to the bottom, I'm going to pop in just a couple more of the alcohol ink swatches. I really love those because they just add a little bit of color to the page and it's super subtle. And so I just wanted to have a little bit more color down there. Apparently, I felt like there wasn't enough. And that finishes up this spread. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you are all having an amazing day. I'll see you next video. Bye.